Fast-moving clouds and wet weather around our region today, all because of the influence of Zeta in the region. Our Alpha Insurance Camera Network from Columbus, Louisville, Mississippi, Vernon, Durham's Pharmacy, and Tupelo, Mississippi shows the passing clouds and the wet weather and those breezes we've had. Now let's zoom on into NOXUBEE County. This is about 6:16 this evening. That little dot right here, this is where the tornado first touched down. That blue, that green, that is some debris that was lifted in the atmosphere with that rotating shower. One of these oddities that developed today, a few showers were rotating, one of which produced this tornado, and you can see that little swath of rotation through NOXUBEE County earlier. Now, we've all had rain today, anywhere from about a ½ inch to some spots over 3 to 4 inches of rain. The heaviest amounts clustered across the Highway 45 corridor, and we still have rain falling generally across our southeastern counties. A light to steady rain or some heavier rain in some locations here. And these southeastern areas will have the best chance for maybe another ½ inch to 2 inches of rain during the next couple of hours as the remnants of Zeta move on through. Temperatures are in the 70s. Look at that. Wind still breezy at about 10 to 20 with some higher gusts up to about 25 now. The best bet for maybe some of those 30-mile-per-hour gusts across our southeastern counties. But this is really going to be short-lived if we get it. The strongest wind in general will be along and southeast of I-2059. Gusting to 69 in Mobile, down to 45 in Gulfport. They gusted to 90, 91 or higher. But the strongest wind across the central and southern parts of the Twin States, and that's how it's going to be. Here's Zeta, the center of that circulation just east of Hattiesburg. This is moving off to the northeast quickly. It's racing at about 30 miles per hour. So the hurricane is moving northeast. We have a cold front coming on in from the west. It is much cooler, not too far away from us right now. It just feels like the tropics now, very steamy, down to 49 in Shreveport, 41 in Dallas. Some of that cooler weather will be rushing our way during the night. So tomorrow, much cooler, 60s and 50s in the region. Clouds to start, and then we'll see some sun, and then we'll see more clouds later on in the day. But the heaviest rain now across the southeast, and that will tend to wind down during the night. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning for the commute. Clouds, maybe a few lingering showers. Not really a big deal for us. By midday to early afternoon, perhaps a little bit of clearing, but don't get used to it because another band of clouds will rotate on through into the evening and overnight hours tomorrow night. And those clouds will gradually thin out as we go throughout the day Friday. And that will usher in the sun that will be sticking around for maybe a week around here. And that sets up a pretty nice stretch of weather. So breezy tonight, wet as well. 60s and 50s tomorrow, 62 Friday, 70 on Saturday. It's looking pretty good for Halloween. About 60 for trick-or-treating. 68, mostly sunny Sunday. Don't forget about that time change. We go back an hour. 58, that's it. Monday with lows in the mid-30s, maybe a frost or freeze again. And for Tuesday, Election Day, tons of sunshine at 65.